know what my house did is lucky to build a snowman.
Oh, I get to see snow up in the mountains.
Yeah, because if you look down on this mountain, you can see a little bit of snow.
Yes. Did you like playing in the snow?
Yeah. Even snowman's noses are called carrots.
Oh, their noses are made out of carrots.
Yeah. You know where plastic comes from?
Can you tell me?
Yeah, I can. First, step 1. Draw her way through. Glancing jack pump oil pipeline and oil finally, and then the mold, and then you can also slash some plastic and make new plastic.
Oh, did you know that's called recycling?
Yeah,
When you make something new out of something old?
yeah. Even is how you make purple is you mix red and the blue together.
Oh, purple's a nice color.
Yeah. And we're making purple Play-Doh because our orange Play-Doh was dripping.
What was it dripping with?
I don't know. So that's why we threw it away and made. And right now, Momo has the waffle ingredients, and we've got a hot waffle maker dough. Even last year, Papa, I and Mom and Dad and Peter ate pancakes for breakfast.
Yummy.
Yeah, that's so yummy. Even I ate. Even Mama made Pokeball ones. Pokeballs are balls where you catch Pokemon.
Oh, I don't know that I've ever seen a Pokemon.
Well, I have caught 2 drowsies, and I've almost caught 3. That 3 means triple.
Oh, that's right.
Yep.